Hi, this is Kelly Martin with Home and Farms Realty. Welcome to this beautiful farmhouse located in East Tennessee. This beautiful farmhouse features a wraparound porch that leads you into this exquisite area where you have the white French oak flooring throughout. You have beams throughout. You have multiple sets of French doors, including this right off of the dining room, which leads you back out to the front porch if you wanted to go that way. And as you walk this way, you're going to find your custom kitchen with your leathered granite countertops, your built-in microwave, your dishwasher, your farm sink with an apron front. You have lots of custom features in this kitchen. Beautiful cabinets. You have a built-in pantry right over here for plenty of storage, and you have movable shelves in there. In the front part of the island, you do have wraparound seating. So you have seating here for your breakfast area, and then you do have a formal dining room in that direction. All of this space is opened to your great room. So you have vaulted ceilings that run entirely this way with custom beams. And you have a nice large open great room with a beautiful brick fireplace that goes all the way up to your ceiling. And along the back side of the wall, you have plenty of windows and a double set of French doors, which leads you out to your covered porch, which overlooks a beautiful pond, arena, and your barn and your pastures. Inside this private office, you have the beautiful hardwood floors that run throughout the main area, and you also have your French doors that lead out to your covered porch that overlooks your pasture in your front yard, which is so nice to look at while you're working. Over here is the guest side of the home, which continues that nice hardwood floor throughout. And each guest room has a custom closet with adjustable shelving so you can change it as needed. And each one also has French doors that take you out to a covered porch, which is the same as the front covered porch that wraps all the way around to the back. And here you have really nice views of pastures, your barn, the pond, and the arena. As you leave this guest bedroom, you do have a guest bathroom, which is shared between these two rooms. And in that guest bathroom, you do have a full custom shower that is quite large, and it's tiled all the way to the ceiling, and then a standalone soaking tub. And you have an additional linen closet. And then over here, you have another guest bedroom with a custom closet and adjustable shelves. And then you have another set of French doors, which leads you out to your covered front porch, and it overlooks the front pasture with your horses. Inside this primary bedroom, you have the nice French white oak floors that run in here, continuing from the rest of the house. You also have this really nice fireplace with gas logs. Over here you have your French doors, which gives you a beautiful view off your covered front porch to your pastures. You have a sleeping horse out there right now. You have two closets on each side of your hallway. You do have a soaking tub, and you have a custom shower tiled all the way up to the ceiling, including the entire wall. And then you have two separate vanities, and including a water closet. This laundry room is a really great size. You've got plenty of space to work in. You've got your area for your washer and dryer. You do have a door that takes you in from your covered porch. You have a hanging area. You have plenty of counter space for folding, and you have, again, a farmhouse sink here. You have more cabinets over here. You have a custom closet on this side. And then on this side, you do have a utility shower, which is tiled all the way to the ceiling, and a toilet in there. So there's lots of space to clean up here before you walk into the main home. Thank you for joining us on our tour today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out or click the link below.